So, the JB Plus tune, I have it installed here on my F56. Full disclosure, I also have the JCW tuning kit, but I mean that is from the factory. It's just a little more aggressive of a tune and a more free-flowing exhaust. And I also have a intake, but not like that would add any real power. That being said, the JB Plus has a bunch of controversy around it. You have a bunch of Brads and Chads telling you to just spend the full $500, $600 and get a full tune like the full JB4 or maybe a Bimmer tuning system. But I'm going to go over why the JB Plus is worth it and why you should get one. Now when it comes to the actual install itself, it is super simple. It takes less than 5 minutes. Just a matter of unbolting these right here and then plugging in the actual JB Plus system down there. You're not going to be able to see it here because everything buttoned back up, but super quick install. And that's one of the great benefits, I think, is if you live in a state where modifications aren't exactly allowed, or if you're worried about, you know, tuning up your car too much and you're planning on selling it or something, this is a super simple, quick way to get power, and you can unplug it and plug it in, like I said, about 5 minutes time. With the JB Plus giving you about 30 horsepower at the wheels and 40 torque at the wheels, it is 100% worth the $200. That being said, I am planning on upgrading on to the full JB4 platform. But if you want a quick, easy modification, I mean extremely plug and play, you can take it off within the matter of minutes. That gives you an actual decent boost in power, 100% worth it. Now the way the JB Plus actually works is it sort of tricks your car into producing more boost. It makes it read that you are making less boost than what's normal, what's programmed in. So your computer, your ECU naturally compensates for that. So all the JB Plus is doing is tricking your car to get about 4 pounds over stock boost. If you were considering between getting the JB Plus or maybe getting the JB4 or going the Bimmer tuning route, JB Plus I think is the great in between, because at any point with the JB Plus you can return it for a full credit towards the actual JB4 platform. So you would just send in the unit and they'd refund you the $200 towards the full JB4 tuning platform. So again, 100% worth it. Could not recommend the JB Plus anymore. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, well there you have it, guys. I did a quick run with the GoPro. Couldn't floor it too much, but as you can tell in the video, loads of boost over stock, way quicker. Yeah, definitely significant power increase, and I mean $200, that's a joke. Like why wouldn't you freaking get this thing for $200? There's no other, I can't think of another platform that adds this much power and this much character to a car for so cheap. Let me know what you guys think, and if you want more videos on me modifying my F56, let me know.